Previously on Fireman Tim. I'm the Joker, and I'm going to get you all! And here we are, Olaf. We are now at the airport. Wow, airport! Ah! What are we doing here, Fireman Tim? Oh, we're gonna meet my buddy, Pilot Bob. He's gonna help us find Elsa. Find Elsa? How? Well, he's got an airplane over here. See? Airplane. So we don't have to swing around. We just fly. Oh, that's great. That's actually very nice. Will he let us borrow his airplane? Of course, we're buddies, huh? Hey! Hey! Pilot Bob, wake up! Let's see, huh? How's Pilot Bob doing all these years? I wonder. Oh, let's see. Oh! Hey, Pilot Bob! What are you doing in the pile? Wake up! Wake up now! Oh, look. This airplane looks intact. See? Let me see, huh? Oh, fits just nice. And there's a place for you in the back, Olaf. Oh, I like it. Oh, nice, huh? Whoa! Careful, Olaf. I think I can fit there pretty well. Yeah, look at... Hey, Bob! Bob, wake up! Oh, whoa! Hey, Fireman Tim! Whoa! Good thing you came. I fell and got trapped inside this mess. Oh! Wow! Let me help you, man. Ah! Come here. Alright, all fixed, huh? Good. Hey, Fireman Tim. So you're gonna need my airplane to find Elsa, huh? Yeah, buddy. I need the airplane pretty bad. You know, we've been swinging through the city and it's a bit dangerous, you know. Oh no! Oh no! Yeah, I heard you fell. Hey, don't mention it. You'll hurt Olaf's feelings. Okay, Fireman Tim. Good luck in finding Elsa. And thank you for saving me from that mess, okay? Alright. Let's go. Ready, Olaf? Yeah, ready. Goodbye, Fireman Tim. Wish you all the luck. Alright, start the engine. Yeah. Let's go! Ready, Olaf? Here we go! Lift off! Okay, let's turn to the right. Going higher. Up. Going down. And to the left. Okay. I knew I could fly this thing. I haven't flied this thing since the academy. Take a look out for Elsa, okay? She should be inside a blue box somewhere. Yeah, it's so beautiful up here. Yeah, look at those cars over there. See? So many cars. And the people are very small. Okay, let's slow down, huh? It's a bit slow, bit slower. Okay, let's fly slower, huh? Oh, I like this place. Whoa! Be careful, it's turbulent, huh? Okay. Something's wrong. I feel something's looking at us. I'm going after Fireman Tim, and he doesn't know. You heard something, Olaf?
Oh, I didn't say nothing.
Elsa, where are you? Elsa, where are you? Elsa, we're looking for you. I'm gonna get you, Fireman Tim. I'm gonna get you. Elsa, where could she be?
I don't know. Could be
I'm
somewhere
gonna
here.
get you. Who's there? Who's there? Hmm? See anyone, Olaf?
Oh, I didn't see anyone.
Okay, be careful of those mountains. I'm gonna get you. Olaf, have you seen Elsa?
Oh, there's no one here. Let's go higher.
Okay, higher. Gonna get you. Gonna get you. Yay, there's the sea over there. Maybe Elsa's over there.
I don't know.
I'm gonna get you now! Oh! 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 Mayday! Mayday! Something hit us! Oh! Mayday! Mayday! We're going to crash! Mayday! Please click the red subscribe button to subscribe. Hey, what's that? Oh no! Oh no! It's coming! Oh!